So we'll jump in this vehicle here and we'll take her for a bit of a run. What we have on the dashboard is your heater controls here. This is your front PTO clutch. And you've got hand throttle here. Gear sticks, hydraulics, and you've got your 4-wheel drive switches, 4-wheel drive diff lock, handbrake, and that play button on hooks or pickup hitch by the air ramp. And we've got a passenger seat and a nice sunroof. So we'll try to take a bit of a run here. That's in top gear. The only thing we need to do, if we want to go really fast now, is flicker into this high splitter. So that's top gear now. Turner here. Don't really want to be driving on the road with a mobile phone. When you drive this thing on the longer road, you can actually see the front wheels springing up and down as your front suspension. Just working away there. Rather on the dump trailer when she come at the start just to see what she was like. Not bad, but the hills killed her a wee bit with a big load on behind her. Not a bad wee lock on this tractor, but just wouldn't be as good as a 2-wheel drive tractor. Sometimes what I would miss a wee bit is side brakes on a tractor. Sort of grew up and using side brakes on a tractor for sort of reversing, you pull the nose around, or you want to get into a shed, you could just give it a side brake and slide around, very handy. That's a little 900, and the way you stop these tractors is you just pull the hand lever back, that's her stopped. So that's it, 900 turbo.